Hey Frost Valley, it's Zach here, coming at you from the waterfront, introducing this week's challenge. So this week's challenge is going to be marble racing, or some sort of small ball racing, and creating an interesting and creative course. It can be at a beach, which we're here doing, or it could be in your house, or it could be in a driveway, or in a park. It could be anywhere. Get permission from your parents first to figure out where you're going to do it and what you can use to create this course. But the key is have fun and be creative. So come take a look at our course. All right, so this week's course we have here, we start at a nice quick ramp. We'll come down, and this curve here is going to be the key point. Whatever ball can get in front of this curve has a good chance of taking it all the way. You follow it down to a couple nice little pin turns here, and then this red flat spot here, this is where you can overtake for the first time. So this is gonna be an exciting part of our course. Coming on down. As you can see, there's a couple of sticks in the way to be an obstacle. Maybe slow one down. We'll see how that happens and what happens there. Come on down around and through here into the lake. All right, let's introduce you to our racers. All right, introducing our 5 racers here. We're using golf balls for this round. And our first racer here is Wilson 3, followed by our Titleist 4, followed by Nike 1, followed by Top Flight XL 1, followed by Top Flight Strata 4. Now the Top Flights were teammates. This is an individual race, so it's all or nothing for them. So good luck to our racers, and off to the start. And we're here at our starting line. We have our friend Claire, who's going to send our golf balls down the track. And on your mark, get set, and go. And down to the first turn. Oop, all right, we got a fair lead here. Coming through. And crosses the finish line by second, third, fourth, and fifth here. All right, now announcing the winners here. In first place, we have Wilson taking the lead. And then in second place, followed by our Nike 1. In third place, our Strata Top Flight. Fourth place, followed by our Titleist. And in fifth place, followed by our Top Flight XL. Great race, everyone. Stay tuned for our next one.
Hey Frost Valley, check out these beautiful Catskill views and say hello to Tori, our master builder of the day.
Hey everybody, so Claire and I built a marble run in just a couple minutes out of things we found in our house, like toilet paper rolls and egg cartons. I don't have a ton of high hopes for this, but we're gonna try and run it down this chair leg here and into the bottle. We'll see how it goes. I challenge you to do a lot better than we're doing. All right, Claire, do you want to place it?
Sure do.
At the top?
Here we are. Here's our marble. There's our trusty cheerleader Fleetwood. Oh, all right. The marble goes down the chute. Woo! Oh, it did touch the bottle. So that's pretty good. We'll give it one more go. To attempt to improve our method, we will be lowering the angle for this next round. All right, same marble here. Same trusty cheerleader in the corner there. And woo!
Just hold on. There we go. Oh!
Oh! Pretty good. All right, my friends.
All right, thanks guys. At Build Strong at Home this summer, we hope that you can build many a stronger marble race. Thanks so much.
All right, well, we hope you have fun with this. We certainly did. We really look forward to seeing your videos, so send them in to the email below, and we will enjoy watching them. Until next time, have fun, have a great summer, and stay tuned for the next challenge coming in a week.